Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X30, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before you get started, you will need to find one of these things, a SIM eject tool, and they come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. But if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now from here, let's pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, and just by the size I think we'll only be able to insert a SIM card. This seems a little bit too thick. Try a different one. Nope. Oh, there we go. So once you take it out, you can see you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. So yeah, unfortunately there is no SD card support. So place it on the tray. You can occupy both of the trays obviously, or just one, and it doesn't matter which one you choose. When putting in the card, make sure it clips into place. If you flip it over and it falls out, then it's not correctly in place. It should just hold in here. From there, pop it back into your phone, and the card should start working right away. Now this card has no, oh, it does have reception, so there we go. So anyway, this is how you insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.